Hi, I am in the city of Mysore doing my teacher's training course, and I am so excited to bring you this video right from Mysore. Why? Because this is an amazing yoga flow that you can do from your house. It's going to be only about 10 to 12 minutes, so enjoy the flow, watch it and share some love. Namaste, my name is Riya Bhansali and I'm a certified yoga teacher and a life coach. Well, I've gotten a lot of requests from all of you that हमें एक yoga flow सीखना है. हम लोग 10 minutes में कौन सा workout कर सकते हैं? Which is why today's video is about a quick yoga flow that you can learn and practice right at home. Well, if you have any doubts, any limitations or any doctor's prescription that restricts you from doing yoga, I highly recommend you write and check with them whether you can practice this flow or no. This is from a beginners to a medium practitioner flow. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any suggestions, drop it and follow us on our various social media handles for so much more fun content coming up. Enjoy your workout.
Let's begin with both hands in Namaste and gently breathing in and out, bringing awareness in your mind and in your body. The butterfly position or the Baddha Konasana. Keeping your back straight, flap your knees in this way, breathing in and out. And if you choose, you can close your eyes. When you're done, inhale and exhale, try to touch your head down to your feet. In case you're not able to do it, any position is fine. Find your comfortable position and stay there. Flapping your feet again. Try this for 30 times. Up and down, flap faster. Inhale up, exhale, head to your toe. This time I want you to completely release the entire weight of your body down. Inhale up. Try to breathe in. And fold both your knees. Take right hand below your right leg, left hand below your left leg. And now coming onto the heels. Slide your legs away and try to make it as flat as possible. This is the Kurmasana or the turtle position. Coming out, this is an extreme stretch and it's okay if you're not able to do it. Again, take your right hand below your right leg, left hand below your left, straightening your knees as much as possible, taking your toes up and trying to touch your head down if possible. Relaxing. Now coming back into the tabletop position or the cat and cow and moving into the downward facing dog position. Opening your fingers and lifting your toes slightly up. Coming back down and relaxing into child's position. Child's pose. Breathe in and out and relax. Going up again, preparing yourself for downward facing dog. Trying to keep your ears between your arms. Taking your right leg up, stretching. Making few circles clockwise. And keeping your leg down. Moving to your left leg. Holding it for some time, feeling the stretch and then making circles with it as well. Breathe in and out. Feel the stretch in your hip muscles. And now moving your leg in the anti-clockwise direction. Relaxing your leg. Switching to the other leg. And anti-clockwise circular movements in this as well. If you feel the need to pause in between, you may do so. And once you're done, move to the child's pose, relaxing your breath and your body. We are going into the Ashtang Namaskar position, where I want you to keep your chest in between your hands, slide forward and come back up. The chest moves in between your hands, sliding forward, Bhujangasana, and you come back into your original position. Try this for 10 rounds without moving your hands or your knees from its position. Feeling extreme pressure on your arms. Keep going. Once you're done, you can relax in child's pose. Relaxing your breath, feeling the stretch in your arms. Breathe in and out. Lifting yourself up into the downward facing dog, my favorite again. Taking right leg up and this time right leg outside your mat next to your right hand. Taking your right leg up, folding your right knee and taking it outwards. Repeating it a couple of times. Feel free to take a break in between. You will feel an extreme stretch in your thighs as you do this. Continue to repeat. You will feel a stretch which is really intense. You can choose to do it at whatever speed you're comfortable with. And then moving to the left side. You will also be feeling pressure in your arms, and that's absolutely normal. Make sure you're doing right and left equal number of times. And once you're done, you can choose to relax or stay in the downward facing dog position once you're done. Feel the stretch. Relaxing. Taking your right leg ahead and your right knee outside and holding yourself either on your elbows down or on your palms up. Feeling an intense stretch in the thigh. Taking your right leg behind. This time with the left leg. And you can place your left elbows down in this position or even stay on your palms, whatever is comfortable. Feeling the stretch in the inner thighs. Hold for some time. Once you're done, return back to the original position. Taking right leg again, sticking your left hand to your right leg and lifting your right hand up, looking up. Replacing it with your right hand, left hand up, twisting your spine, looking up. Once you're done, return back to your original position and start with your left leg. Opposite hand, opposite leg up first, trying to reduce the distance between knee and shoulder. Look up into the sky, breathing in. Breathing out, replace your hands, same hand, same leg down. Inhale and look up. Exhale, look down. And going into the child's position to relax your entire body. You can repeat this 2 to 3 times, depending on the time availability. Now I want you to take your right leg ahead, take your right hand from within and interlock both fingers. So right hand goes below the right thigh and left hand from above. Similarly, when your left leg is out, take your left hand from inside your thigh, interlocking both the fingers. You may not be able to see it from this angle. If you're not able to hold it, just see where you can reach and hold whichever position you're comfortable in. This time, take your right leg in front and flex your left knee, taking it up and down above the mat and on the mat. 4 to 5 times. And repeating the same thing with your left leg. What we are doing is working out the thigh muscles for the next exercise that we are going to go through. Really taking and gently placing your knee down and lifting it up. Once you're done, just relax in child's pose, relaxing your thighs and your entire body. Coming up and taking your right leg again to the same position next to your right hand, interlocking, lifting the knee off the ground, taking your left leg with the right leg and behind in one go. So the more you are seated, the more you're going to be able to do it and balance. Keep your hips as low as possible. Take your left leg behind and in front. In this way. This may be a little challenging, and if you're not able to hold both of your hands, you can choose to take a rope or a dupatta. Similarly, with the left side, interlocking both hands, using a rope, a belt, taking your right leg in front, right leg back. Now this should happen in one go without placing your knee down. But if you feel too much pressure on the knee, you may take breaks in between, feeling the stretch. Breathing in and out. Inhaling and exhaling, keeping hands down, knee down. Please relax. Good job. This is an extreme stretch. Now trying to relax your thighs, kneeling down in this position. Taking right leg ahead of left leg, one knee in front of the other, and sitting with both feet out next to your thighs. Taking right hand up, taking it behind, followed by the left hand, and I'm interlocking both the hands behind my back in the Gomukhasan, or the cow facing pose. Breathing in and out. Once you're done, unlock yourself from this position. Place left leg in front of right leg, one knee in front of the other. Adjust your legs using your feet, keeping one knee in front of the other. And now taking left hand up, back, followed by the right hand, and looking straight. Pressure in your thighs. And the golden rule is which leg is on top, that hand goes up. So take care of that. Feel the stretch. Going into the butterfly pose. And stretching only downwards now. Very lightly. Keeping your elbows on your thighs. Very loosely. Even if you can't touch down, that's not the aim. It's just to loosen your body. Taking one foot on top of the other. Moving for the breathing exercises, please go for equal breathing pranayama. If you're comfortable sitting in the lotus pose or the Padmasana, you can even go for that. Breathing in and out. While you inhale, count in your mind 1, 2, 3. While exhaling, count 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 3, 2, 1. Keep counting in your mind, calming your mind down. Moving to the Shatkari Pranayama. Holding both your teeth together. I want you to breathe in through your mouth. Breathing out through your nose. Cooling your body down. Breathing out through your nose. Sucking cool air inside your body, breathing out through your nose. Repeating it and cooling down your body. Keep repeating it a couple of times. So you feel cool air going inside your stomach all the way down. Going for Shitali Pranayama, rolling your tongue, breathing in, exhaling through your nose. Going for the Anulom Vilom Pranayama, block your nostril, breathe in from your left, exhaling from your right, breathe in from your right, exhale from your left nostril. Keep going, breathe in left, exhaling from your right, breathe in right, exhaling from your left. In this way, keep alternating between your nostrils. Breathing in and out. Awareness completely on your breath. Going for equal breathing, relaxing your entire body. and feeling the prana flow throughout the body, energizing each and every part. Once you're done, you can lie down in Shavasana, keeping your hands by the side of your body, remaining still for some time, taking any comfortable position, making adjustments if you want, and remain still for the next 5 minutes. Relax your body from your toes till your head, relaxing your toes, ankles, shin, calf muscles, knees, thighs, pelvic area, and your hips. Relax and let loose of all the tensions in your legs. Relax your stomach, chest, lower back, and your upper back. Breathing in and out, relaxing your upper body. Now focus relaxing on your fingers, elbows, arms, neck, shoulders, and your entire face. Your entire body is completely relaxed and loosened up. Releasing all the tensions on the mat. Just let loose. There are several relaxation techniques which are a part of my YouTube series. You can go and check it out. Turning to the left hand side, making a pillow of your left hand, beginning to get awareness into the room that you're sitting in. Relaxing your heart before you sit up straight in cross-legged position. Keeping your back and neck straight. And awareness on your breath. You will chant Om 3 times. Inhale. Gently rub both your hands, place it on your eyes, and spread this energy throughout the body, relaxing it. Join your hands in Namaste.
If you are someone who is looking to just begin their yoga journey, fear not. We have an entire playlist for yoga for beginners, which you should check out under Yoga Drill. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and write to us. Comment below as to how is the workout, and we'll make any videos that you'd like. We hope you've really enjoyed the workout. If you did, subscribe to our channel and watch more videos coming up for improving your yoga practice. This is Riya Bhansali. Until next time, Namaste.